morning. Lee Schlenker of the Business Analytics Institute. Our institute's work focuses on leveraging data science to improve managerial decision-making. One of the lessons we've learned over the last few weeks is that crunching the figures isn't enough to transform data into collective action. I would like to invite you this May 13th to a pro bono lecture for the Global Master of Management Analytics program at the Smith School of Management. We will explore leveraging not just the data on the current economic crisis, but the frames, horizons, and stories needed to build viable scenarios for the future. Take care and talk soon.